The Faiuot 110V stick welder uses advanced IGBT inverter technology to deliver smooth and spatter-free welds, ensuring high-quality results for every project. With 6 variable current settings ranging from 20 to 200 amps, this welder offers precise control for both delicate repairs and industrial-grade tasks. Weighing just 3.4 pounds, this compact and lightweight welding machine is incredibly portable, making it easy to transport and use anywhere. The welder is compatible with a range of welding rods from 3/32 to 1/8 of an inch, offering versatility for various materials. Safety is a priority with built-in protections against overheating, overloading, and short circuits, along with an advanced cooling system for worry-free welding. This welder is an excellent gift choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professional welders, enhancing their skills with its power, versatility, and convenience.